Hey guys, it's the girl Mzj.Alexis. Welcome back to my channel. So today my look is inspired by my mask. So I did this tribal look, if that's what it's called. And to see how I achieved this look, continue watching this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification so you can see when I post my new videos. So I'm not really the best at remembering the products that I use to show y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the description box down below so you guys can definitely see what products that I use and what I use it for. So yeah, let's get into these brows. I think I'm using the shade Toffee, LA Girl Pro Concealer Toffee right now. If I remember, I'll say it as I go along, but yeah. And for the bottom, I think I mixed the Toffee with the Tarte Concealer Light Sand. So if you know me, you will know that I love the perfect brows. Like my brows, if anything doesn't look right, my brows gotta look and feel right to me, okay? So yeah, continue watching and I'll make my comments where I see fit, okay? After I blend out my brows, I went ahead and started on foundation. Can't even see what foundation that I was using, and yeah, I was taking sips from this makeup tutorial, so please don't judge me. So if my face messed up, it was because of what was in my cup. Not gonna say what it was, but yeah. And throughout this video, you're gonna see me doing half of my face, like the top half of my face, and that's only because I was gonna put a mask on, and by the end of the video, put on the bottom so I can take a full face picture. So yeah, here I'm using I think a concealer from Juvia's Place. Not sure what the name of it is, but like I said, it's gonna be in the description down below. I cannot stop repeating myself. Like, why I keep repeating myself? But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be there, so just go check it out. And this makeup probably look lighter than my skin tone, but it's really not. It's probably because of the lighting why it looks this way, but yeah, continue watching, and like I said, I'll make my comments as I see fit. Right now I'm jumping in my JAMROCK palette so I can get started on my eyes. And for my eyes, I think I'll be using turquoise, pink, purple, white, and I'm not really sure what other color, but yeah, you'll definitely see what it's gonna come out looking like the preview that I gave at the front of the video. So yeah, continue watching. I'm gonna use my Tarte Light Sand to cut my crease, and this usually be the hard part for me because cutting crease is not my favorite thing to do, but I think I've done it a lot where I can see getting way better at it. So let me know if you think that my cut crease game is on point. Wiping off all the concealer that was mixed with the color so I can put on a fresh coat before I apply my eyeshadow look. You'll see. Just continue watching, okay? So I guess this is where I'm gonna actually show y'all what colors I'm using while I use them. So like I said, stay tuned, continue watching. Go back and clean up around the eyes and then add more orange to the outer corner. So I'm gonna repeat it, continue watching, because me doing the voiceover is not a good idea. So I'm definitely gonna continue to talk in my videos because I'm really not sure what to say and when to say it at this point. So let me shut up while you guys watch, okay? So looking back at this, I think I really should have never went and put this black liquid liner because it was looking bomb before. Like, not saying it doesn't right now, but I kind of liked it better without the liner. Gonna do next is clean up around the liquid liner area, and then I'm going to apply some more orange to the look. And yeah, continue watching. So this is where I'm gonna apply the dots over my eyebrows and underneath my eyes and put on my little tribal marks. I'm not even sure if this is like a tribal look, but that's what I keep saying because my print keeps screaming Africa to me, and I really love African stuff. So yeah, this is my tribal look. use my setting powder, and to finish out the look I'm gonna use my setting spray. So my camera just died, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish what I have left off camera, and then I'll be back. This is how the finished look turned out. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this makeup tutorial, and do y'all like my braids? I was gonna take them down, and when I cut them I liked the way it looked, so I put rubber bands on the end and I kept them in for 2 extra days. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video, and like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends to subscribe. It only takes them 2 seconds. Goodbye.